Hey everyone, and welcome back to Cyberbytes Hub. Today, we're diving into the world of drones and exploring the top 5 models that 2024 has to offer. Whether you're a seasoned aerial photographer or a complete beginner, there's a drone out there to fit your needs and budget. So, grab your remote control and let's take flight. First up, we have the DJI Mini3 Pro. This lightweight and foldable marvel weighs in at under 249 grams, making it perfect for on-the-go creators and those who don't want to deal with drone registration in most countries. But don't let its size fool you. The Mini3 Pro packs a serious punch with a 1.3-inch sensor capable of capturing stunning 4K 60 FPS video and crisp 48-megapixel photos. It also boasts a redesigned gimbal that rotates a full 90 degrees, allowing you to capture captivating portrait mode content, ideal for social media. This drone is perfect for beginners thanks to its intuitive controls and intelligent features like focus track, which automatically keeps your subject in frame, and quick shots, a range of pre-programmed flight paths that result in cinematic footage. Plus, with an impressive 34-minute flight time, you have ample time to explore your surroundings and capture breathtaking aerial shots. Stepping things up a notch, we have the DJI Mavic 3 Pro. This powerhouse drone boasts a cutting-edge Hasselblad camera system with a 4.3 CMOS sensor, delivering professional-grade image quality with stunning detail and color accuracy. The Mavic 3 Pro also shines in terms of safety, featuring omnidirectional obstacle sensing and AVAT 5.0 technology to ensure smooth and collision-free flights. With a whopping 43-minute flight time, you can venture further and capture expansive landscapes or intricate details from a safe distance. But the Mavic 3 Pro isn't just about capturing stunning visuals. It boasts a 15-kilometer transmission range, allowing you to explore with confidence and maintain a crystal-clear connection with the drone. This model is ideal for both experienced pilots and aspiring professionals looking to create high-quality aerial content. Looking for a budget-friendly option that still packs a punch? Look no further than the DJI Mini 2 SE. This compact and lightweight drone is another sub-249-gram marvel, making it perfect for travel and recreation. Despite its smaller size, the Mini 2 SE captures impressive 2.7K video and 12-megapixel photos, allowing you to capture stunning aerial footage without breaking the bank. It also features a 3-axis gimbal that keeps your shots stabilized and smooth, even in windy conditions. With a single battery, the Mini 2 SE offers a maximum flight time of 31 minutes. However, the Fly More combo includes 2 additional batteries, allowing you to extend your flight time to a total of 93 minutes. This makes the Mini 2 SE a fantastic choice for capturing longer journeys and exploring vast landscapes. Calling all adrenaline junkies. If you're looking for a truly immersive and action-packed flying experience, then the DJI AVAT 2 is for you. This FPV, first-person view drone lets you see the world through the drone's eyes, offering a thrilling and unique perspective. The AVAT 2 features intuitive motion control, allowing you to fly the drone simply by moving your hand. This makes it surprisingly easy to learn and conquer jaw-dropping flips, rolls, and 180-degree drifts, even for beginners. But the AVAT 2 isn't just about thrills. It also captures stunning 4K video footage with a 155-degree field of view, creating a truly immersive viewing experience. And with built-in propeller guards, you can fly with confidence in various scenarios without worrying about accidental damage. Finally, we have the DJI NEO, a revolutionary new drone designed specifically for beginners and those seeking a hassle-free flying experience. Weighing in at just 135 grams, the NEO is incredibly lightweight and portable, making it easy to take with you on your adventures. One of the most unique features of the NEO is its controller-free operation. Simply push a button on the drone itself, and it will effortlessly take off and land from your hand. This makes flying the NEO incredibly easy and accessible, even for those who have never flown a drone before. For those who prefer a more traditional flying experience, the NEO also offers compatibility with a mobile app, voice control, or a traditional remote controller. This flexibility ensures that everyone can find the perfect way to control their drone. When it comes to capturing footage, the NEO doesn't disappoint. It features a 4K ultra-stabilized camera that delivers smooth and high-quality video, even in challenging conditions. The Neo also boasts a range of creative quick shots modes, allowing you to capture professional-looking footage with just a few taps on your screen. Safety is a top priority with the Neo. The drone comes with built-in propeller guards, providing extra protection for your drone and those around you. Additionally, the Neo's compact size and lightweight design make it less likely to cause damage if it were to collide with an object. In conclusion, the DJI Neo is a fantastic option for beginners and those seeking a simple and enjoyable flying experience. With its controller-free operation, easy-to-use features, and impressive camera capabilities, the Neo offers a convenient and fun way to capture stunning aerial footage. Remember, the links to all of these drones are in the description below, so be sure to check those out if you're interested in learning more or purchasing one. And as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. We'll see you next time.